Alright guys, today I'm just going to show you how to check and fix vacuum leaks. There's a BMW X5. So when I turn it on guys, there's the engine light right here, and the engine guys, when you check it from the front guys, is really like it's just driving rough. It's just riding very rough guys. It's just shaking. So guys, what I'm going to do today is to do just a smoke test to see if there are leaks in the system, and then how to show you guys how to fix it. Alright guys, you turn off the engine, and then guys you take in your tool. This is a smoke tool. Guys, don't mind about this leak right here. This is where I'm putting in the smoke to go through. And then guys, I have to check on the system. I'll just follow where the air goes through. So what I really interested in guys is all these connection points, like just right here guys. You see there is a leak already showing up down here where that clamp is. That's first place I'm going guys to fix. And then guys, I keep looking around the engine. Guys, to just make sure there's no other place like leaking. So guys, we got another culprit right here, and this is leaking on this vacuum hose. And then down here guys, on our sensor here guys, it's also leaking air. So all these LOs guys, when it gets in the system guys, there's too much air which is going to be in the system, and then it's going to say system lean. That's a code P0171 or P0174. So guys, how to fix it guys, you make sure you fix like especially those points. You put new seals guys, and then on the clamps you make sure guys you take them back, and then you fix it more tightly. And then after that finishes guys, and then you can run your engine, and then guys you test it, and also guys, there's this thing right here. This is the cap. It's also showing me it's leaking from the cap. So guys, I have to get a new cap, or I have to get a new seal for the cap. So basically guys, it's just to make sure that all leaking points where air can get into the system is sealed off, and that will help guys your engine to run smoothly. Alright guys, I hope you guys learned something new today, and I hope really guys, as you fix your car, you just pay attention to those small stuff, and then you should be able to help your car run smooth.